Hello everyone. Today I explain about the type of cell division. Student, as you know, old cells split into new cell and the formation of new cell is known as cell division or cell reproduction. Before start the cell division, a life of a single cell completed in two different phases. These phases combinedly known as cell cycle and phases are interphase and M phase. Interphase just before the dividing phase where cell start the preparation for just before the cell division, or you can say cell prepare itself for the division, and this phase is known as interphase where cell can grow, duplicate its genetic material, correction about the duplication and growth if any error occurs. After the completion of interphase, cell enter into the M phase. M phase either mitosis cell division or meiosis cell division. That means we have basically two main categorized type of cell division, that is the mitosis cell division and meiosis cell division. Today's topic relate with the mitosis cell division. Mitosis is a form of eukaryotic cell division that produce two daughter cells with the same genetic component as the parental cells. Mitosis cell division, also known as somatic cell division, in which two identical cells are produced. Mitosis cell division completed in various phases. These phases are prophase, next metaphase, anaphase, and lastly the telophase. All these four phases, namely prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, are the nuclear division takes place after the end of telophase. We have two new nuclei, but after the nucleus division, one another division also occurs. This is the cytokinesis or cell or cytoplasm division. That means in mitosis division, first division relate the nucleus division, also known as karyokinesis, then cytoplasm division known as cytokinesis. After cytokinesis, we obtain the two daughter cells, and this is the mitosis division, and this is all about the mitosis division. Now we have some significance about the mitosis cell division. First, you can see a single cell divide into two daughter cell, and here you can also say or also known as sequential division, where because the chromosome number in the parent cells and daughter cells are in the same. You can see the picture number 1. We have one red color shape chromosome and one greenish color of chromosome, and finally in you can see in picture number 5 two daughter cell, and each daughter cell have one red chromosome and one blue chromosome. That means the chromosome number is equal, so it is also known as sequential cell division. In plant, mitosis cell division occurs the part of plant like root tips, stem tips. Next one is the it is responsible for mitosis cell division, responsible for a definite shape and proper growth and development of an individual. It maintains the constant number of chromosomes in all body cell of an organisms. In plant, mitosis help in the formation of new part and the repairing of the damaged part. And finally, it help in maintaining a balance between the DNA and RNA contents as well the nuclear and cytoplasmic content of the cell. This is all about the mitosis cell division. One thing you can also say mitosis cell division also replacing dead and old cells in the animal body. I think that's all about the animal cell. Take care and thank you.